Hello today. I'm going to show you how to set the time and your date settings on your Fiat 500 car. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. Ignition is switched on. And here you can see in the center of the cockpit, you can see that there are a timer is flashing. That's because we disconnected the battery before, and now we have to re-enter the time and date. How we perform this? We have to use for this the menu button and of course the plus and minus button. So now let's go through the menu into the menu by using the menu button. Then we are looking for the option of the time and date settings. That means date settings. We entered into it by using the menu button again. Then we have to perform the date setup. Of course, we start with the year. Then, of course, we go to the next step by using the menu button again and switch the next thing is the month settings, and at the third thing we are going to choose the right day. If we finish that, we push again the menu button to get now to a setup of the time. The time we can now navigate to the clock. The clock is easy to reach. It's the clock time setup. And then we can start with plus and minus to set the hours. And after this, by menu button again, we can switch the minutes. Job's done. If you push the menu button again, and then we can go and switch between the menus again if we like, and re-entered into the main menu again. Job's done to set your date and time settings on your Fiat 500. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.